The only question there could be
Hmm.
is if God is the creator of everything, then who created God? But I usually avoid that question because I can't answer that question.
Yeah, so it's important to note that God, by definition, is eternal.
Yep.
And do you know what eternal means?
Like forever.
Yeah, he's always existed and will always exist. So when somebody
Yeah.
creates or brings up that argument, it's just simple to say that, by definition, God is eternal. Therefore, meaning that he is always existed and will always exist. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you don't even really have to address that because like when you're thinking about it logically, it just doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Because God is the supreme high most being, therefore he wasn't created, he's always existed.